Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Home Depot Pro Extra reward. So let's just get straight into the video. So sign up online or at the Pro desk, then enter your 10-digit phone number, Pro Extra ID at checkout in app or the online to earn points on purchases. Track your progress in the application, redeem earned perks like gift cards or tool rentals through the digital dashboard, and use the HD Pass for quick in-store scanning. It is as simple as that. In order to go ahead and sign up, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply head into this site, which is going to be homedepot.com//pro extra with that X, just like that. And you're going to be taken to their official site where you can simply go ahead and use your phone number as your ID and sign up here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.